Hi guys, today we're gonna learn to open combination locks. I know you guys at school, high school and stuff are using combinations to open lockers and stuff. Well, my son just got his locker today, and so we're gonna try to open it. All right, so the first number is 30, 32, and then 10. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna neutralize the lock. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna go to 0 and then we're going to go past 0 a few times. See? I'm going to do it like 3 times. Okay, so it's on 0. Then we're going to go to 30. Your first number is 30. Okay, so we went right 30. Then we're going to go left 32. But we're going to go past 32 one time. So we're going to go now. 32. Then our other number is 10. Okay, we're going to go right 10. 10. Let's see if it opens. Yay! So there we go. How to open your combination lock. All right, give me a thumbs up if you like this video.